We're back. Back to the wacky rig again. Guy. Oh. Just a little guy. Here 1 minute, and then the next you could just switch up and be
had it hit.
Yeah. I don't know, they might be going for something small. Got him? Is that bottom?
I go.
Want a fish?
Yeah.
You say that so calmly. I could watch my videos and I'm like, fish! Oh, that was a good one too.
There. Well, we haven't actually landed any.
Well, we've got a couple of fish on.
Jeez.
I gotta get me a piece of that action. Holy. That's on that black and red one, isn't it?
You want to net him?
Is he big?
I don't know. I don't want to take a chance though. Because when they don't jump, whatever you do.
Oh, I want to hit him with the net. Come on. Get in here.
There we go. First landed fish.
First. That's pretty small. Oh, you lost your Senko too.
Did I?
Just give me a little drag.
What, followed in the water, or?
Yeah. Meanwhile, mine is still in the water.
Here, I can unhook it.
I got it.
Jeez, that's service.
I got it.
And those frogs did not work at all.
Yep. I'm telling you, frogs, I've never had any luck.
Here.
There we go. Okay. Well, we've got one fish in the boat so far, so that's good.
I'm taking us down past that weed bed again.
I think my hook is still in there, actually. Fish.
Net?
No, I got a good hook set on this guy. Yeah, I got a good hook set on him. Jeez, isn't that yours?
It's pretty lucky.
See, now if you look, my Senko's still on. Well, we're doing good. And look how good that hook set is too.
Jeez.
So, works a lot better with the 2-aught. Oh well, we're catching something. That's we're in on this weed bed here. And the wind's picking up too. I did. No, you don't. Snap. Hey, see, here I go again. 3 tackle boxes all out. I'm telling you, I'm bad for that.
That looks like a fish right there.
Yeah?
Nice rocky bottom.
I'm gonna drop mine straight down. See how it matches the color of the bottom too?
Yeah, yeah.
That orange. So we've landed what, only 2 so far?
1.
1? No, 2, because I had 1.
Okay, yes, but I thought you...
No,
you had that, yeah.
I had that one, then I cast it right back out again. And that. Well, let's just try this floater.
There you go.
Got one. Oh yeah, nice. You did that for that guy?
Yeah. If you don't mind.
Unless I get a double header on this retrieve. That wouldn't be good. Alright. Easy. Oh. Hung up in your line. Holy. Got that thing bent right over, don't you? That rod. Okay. Comes.
Lost my Senko.
Oh, getting out his pliers. Leatherman wingman.
Okay.
Just drag it.
Oh, there we go.
They pull hard in this lake.
Yeah.
Like a
Fun fish. Here, I can, if you let go, I can, oh, that's not hooked that bad.
You can swing them in there. Easy, easy. Oh, you lost your rod. Almost. That would have sucked, eh? Losing that rod. I've done that before. Nice little bass.
Right in the jar. Yep. Little guy.
Yep. Right on. Oh.
Do you want me to paddle us in?
Yeah, that's bottom. I got all excited there for a second. This was my 500 here. Just caught a half decent fish. He's not huge, but man, they fight in this lake. So I got a comment this morning on one of my videos, just one that I uploaded, late August bass fishing. Carry a scale, carry a scale. That's about a pound. Whoa, if you can see, it's right around a pound.
Yeah, kind of
Ish. But that's a pretty nice fish. He's not very long, but he's heavy. So we're gonna go for the release now.
We're getting in the weeds, but oh well.
Put up a decent fight. There he goes. Okay, there we have it. Good fight. We're just about to stop and stretch our legs here in a bit, so stay tuned. Alright, we're back out fishing here, and we're out on the lake. I've seen this lake before on a couple other fishing adventures, but here with Outdoors Guy 500, this fella, and he just came back from the States, and he brought back quite the rig. And I knew about this rig. I heard about it in the forums and whatnot, but we're trying it, and I don't think we're doing so well. And you probably already got it figured out.
All the weeds.
Pretty much got it figured out what it is. That's the Alabama rig right there. I got one geared up on my rod with some Zoom Super Flukes.
I got money minnow.
But we're crazy, and the one reason we are crazy is because we're using little spinning reels for this. We're kind of undergunned when it comes to rods with this setup. That is a rig. That's a rig and a half. So, here, film me trying to cast this thing. Because I think this is pretty funny. I've seen pictures of them catch smallmouth though on it before. So, I don't know, maybe.
Here, let me get in the water a little bit. Let's see see how fast it takes for me to fall.
Got my camera. So.
Okay.
And foul hooking is a little bit of a trouble too with this rig.
Hold that up.
Nice
Bigger than your head.
Good size comparison. Here's my hand. I have big hands anyways, but
Crazy. Whoever came up with the idea of this is nuts.
it's a smart idea if you think about it, but I don't know. It's just not hard.
Look at the bend in that rod.
I haven't even casted it yet. Like I said, we're undergunned big time with this. With this getup. Get another little close up. We're gonna try and cast this. Like reeled in. Using a triax spinning reel. Okay, here we go. Let me go for the cast. You have to reel it so fast. Because it's so heavy. I got like, it's like 6 jig heads, but it does look good in the water. I'll give it that. It looks really good. We're in too shallow for it as well. You can see it looks really good.
With all those weeds on it.
With all the weeds on it. All the weeds.
So if we catch any, we'll get a video.
We'll be definitely making a video if I catch anything on
Yeah.
this crazy rig.
So let's go fishing.
For a couple Canadians, I don't know.
Gonna go in the deeper water and
Yeah.
hopefully not break our rods.
Hopefully not.
Okay, let's go.
Alright guys, we're out on the lake. Getting on to 2:48 just about. Getting ready to head back. I've been fishing here kind of all morning. And anyways, I got hooked up with a few bass. Actually, I only got hooked up with one, but man, I had some intense topwater strikes. I mean, they're just slamming this buzzbait, which I have on right now. And I've been kind of fishing the mats a little bit, like we're in now. Not really mats, but kind of weed beds, like what's left of them. There's not much left of them. Mainly just leftovers, like I said. This stuff seems to be pretty good, but the other stuff farther down seemed to be taking a little bit of a hit from the cold weather. Anyways, we're gonna fish the way back. I'm gonna burn this till I run out of battery power. Got my tackle here. Got my Just Reviewed tackle bag. Bag of ballast. We're gonna see if we can hook up with a few. I'm just gonna run this buzzbait for the rest of the time, so stay tuned. Should be good. Just gonna get my camera angle geared up, so here we go. Oh, fish. Got one. Off camera. Bad camera angle. He's not very big. To write home about. Yeah, sorry, I'm using this crappy tripod again. Here we go. There he is. It's not huge, but it's a fish. A little too close to shore. Yeah, it's got pretty small, but well. As I said, sorry about this crappy tripod, but just gotta use it, so stay tuned.